Are you lacking visibility on your inventory and on the problems detected on your equipment? Do you have difficulty communicating with your workers in the field and seeing the progress of your maintenance operations? You can now use Oxygis, the web and mobile app completely dedicated to asset and maintenance interventions management. Operators are encouraged to report incidents encountered in the areas of intervention. All they need to do is fill in a description form and attach photos to report the anomaly. The administrator can then consult the reports through a dedicated user interface in Oxygis. Using the information provided, they can immediately take action to resolve the anomaly. Oxygis makes it possible to react quickly to problems in the field to minimize accidents and costs. Oxygis also facilitates the planning of maintenance interventions according to their urgency and proximity, and taking into account the team's availability. Operators can view all their tasks to be completed and access helpful information, such as the tools to bring or the location of the intervention. Once the task has been completed, they can mark it as done through the app. Thanks to Oxygis, the administrator obtains a view in real time of the progress of scheduled interventions. Finally, with Oxygis, keep your assets up to date from the web or your mobile. Users can register assets in the inventory from their desk or directly from the field. In front of an equipment, operators have access to its description and can modify it if they have required authorizations. The inventory can also be completed by drawing new elements. Oxygis will help you to better manage your spaces thanks to a global, centralized view. For further information, do not hesitate to contact us now through our website, www.oxygis.eu.